Hey YouTube, XanRacer here. I got a new plane for you guys. I just received this and I opened already the packaging to check if it's okay, if there's no damage. But gladly there isn't. So I got this plane on eBay. This is the Jetstar Asia Airbus A320-200 with the registration 9V-JSD. And it's in 1:400 scale. And this is my very first JC Wings, and I will see how JC Wings looks because I might buy some more JC Wings in the future. So now let's start with the box. There you have JetstarAsia.com, then Airbus A320-232, scale 1:400, and there's the aircraft in the middle. And then here you have let me try and focus it for a while. There are JC Wings, Jetstar Asia, Valuair, Airbus A320, Jetstar, Valuair, JetstarAsia.com, Airbus A320, scale 1:400, Jetstar, then Jetstar and Valuair. Then at the back, you have JetstarAsia.com, JC Wings. There's a JC Wings logo and their email address, and I think that's in German. The one on the right. So now let's unbox this aircraft. So here you got plastic to protect the plane while it's in the box. And here is the model. Now let's get a more detailed look at the aircraft, because I haven't, is just really cool. I rode this plane from Singapore back to Manila, and it's a really cool plane. So now let's start with the front. Here you have your cockpit windows. Then if you can see, wait a minute. Never mind about that. There you have your main landing gear, the main door, main entry door, and then JetstarAsia.com. Then you have your engines, wings, and your orange winglets. And there you have your orange winglets. And then there you have Valuair. I guess Jetstar Asia acquired Valuair. I don't know why. I think it acquired Valuair. Valuair is a low-cost carrier based, I guess, in Singapore. Then most of its routes are Indonesian routes. And yeah, I guess I don't know about what happened to Valuair. There you can see the wings on the other side with the winglet. Then here you have the registration 9V-JSD, Airbus A320, you have your last door, and then Jetstar, the Jetstar tail. So now let's look at the other side. Here you have JetstarAsia.com, your cockpit windows, your front door, the nose gear has front cargo door, the main cargo door, I guess. Then Jetstar Asia, you have your overwing exits, you have your engines, and these gears do roll. The landing gears do roll. And then there you have your orange winglets, Valuair, 9V-JSD, which is the registration, Airbus A320. There you can see the cargo door. I guess the cargo door at the rear, if you guys can see that. The paint is a bit off, but I still recommend this aircraft. This is still a very nice aircraft. Then here you have your Jetstar tail. So let's look at the aircraft from the front. Let's get a front view of that plane. This plane. There. So I really recommend this plane a lot. I recommend this a lot. It's really cool. We have the side view. And then let's go for the tail view. Guys, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. My name is @XanRacer AvGroup or @XanRacer AvGroup. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.